Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. So for example, we do have an object, and what we want to do, we want to, you know, fetch the deeply nested properties of that object dot name. Then it is returning us an error because these properties does not exist in our object. So in case if I come over here and write anything below this stuff like hello, then this will not be printed because the code has been broken at the line number 5. So what we can do to ignore this in case one of the property does not found, we do not want JavaScript to break our code. So for that we do have a feature which is called optional chaining operator, right? So what you can do, you can come before the dot and you can place the question mark, and now as you can see that it has console.log hello. And if I come over here and let me print this out as well, then you can see that it is now returning undefined. In case any variable or any property or any function is returning undefined, then our code will not break at any cost. So this is for a safe side. Whenever you are fetching the properties, deeply nested properties from an object, then it is advisable to use this optional chaining operator. Make it practice when you are coding, whenever you will be working with objects and you are fetching the properties with the dot notation or whether with bracket notation, then you must use these question mark dot, which is called optional chaining operator. So for example, I have shown you the example of an object, but if you want to play with an array, you can do the same thing. Let me come over here and write this, and now what I want to do, something like this. Let me just rename it as well, arr 0 dot name. Then it is returning as an error because there is nothing, there is no object inside our array. So for that you can use the optional chaining operator as well. So inside before dot name, you can let me just uncomment it out, place the question mark, and it is advisable for you to place the question mark dot before accessing the any properties of an array, or like using the bracket notation like this. So this is it from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.